In this video, I'm going to show you all how to post on Twitter from 3 separate devices. I'm going to show you how to tweet from your iPad or your tablet. I'm going to show you how to tweet from your desktop computer, and I'm going to show you how to tweet from your smartphone as well. So stick around because that's all coming up right now. Hey there, Mark Warnken here. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel, the #1 place for business owners and brands to stay up to date with everything social media that will actually help grow your business. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to stay up to date with all of my weekly videos. Don't forget to tick the little bell icon as well. I've been getting lots of messages from people across all of the social media platforms saying, hey Mark, we love your content, but we still don't know how to post on Twitter. We still don't know how to tweet. We still really don't know how to use that platform. So that's what this video is all about. I'm going to show you all how to tweet across 3 separate devices. So let's go to some live screen action so you can follow my mouse, grab a pen and paper, grab a coffee as we dive into that right now. So viewing my Twitter profile at the moment, down the bottom left-hand corner, you can see the blue dot with the plus and the Twitter icon. That would be how you would start tweeting. If I was to go to my home page, again, it is down the bottom left-hand corner. So it is really easy to start posting on Twitter because that's all we do is we tap that blue icon and up comes what's happening in your life. Now, firstly, I'm going to select a photo. This particular one is my son in soccer action, and I would then share some information on this. Now, remembering we only get 280 character spaces. That includes everything. The image that I've selected there takes up 22 character spaces. And your hashtags and things like that take up character spaces as well. Saturday soccer action from my son. We'll keep it simple. Let's add some hashtags as well. Saturday soccer hashtags. There are no spaces in between. So first one is Saturday soccer. What other hashtags can we add? So I've added 2 more hashtags, soccer time and football time. So there we go, nice and short, sharp and simple. How to post on Twitter, it is that easy. And let's press top right, the blue tweet button, and it is loading. Your tweet was sent and away we go. That's how simple it is to post on Twitter from your iPad. Let me show you how to do the same thing from your mobile phone and your desktop computer. So the second example I want to show everyone is how to tweet from the desktop computer. Now, not many people will most likely do it from the desktop. I think 88% of all tweets and Twitter usage is on a mobile, but I will show everyone just for the sake of it. So here we are on my profile again. So here is the tweet that I posted just before of my son. That was the one that came from my that came from my iPad or the tablet. So from the desktop version, if I click on tweet down the bottom left, the pop-up box appears, or if I'm on the home page, the pop-up is already up the top there. So it's the same result. So let's keep things uniform. I'm going to click on the tweet button and up will pop the pop-up box, which gives us some options that we can play with. The first one here on the left, if I click that, it's going to take me to my desktop computer, and that's where I would upload an image. The second one along is if I wanted to upload a GIF, straightforward there. We can select which one we like. The third one along is how to create a poll on Twitter. Now, I already have a separate video on that, and I will put the instructions to that one or the link to that one in the comments below, and everyone can have a look at that. We want to discard it. The fourth one along was we can add some emojis, all pretty straightforward. The pop-up box will appear here for adding some emojis. And the last one along is how to schedule. So there we go. So there are a few different options that we can utilize here on the desktop computer. But I'm going to select a photo from my computer, and we're going to take it and do it that way. Now, the photo I've selected is a recent video that I've uploaded to my YouTube channel called 5 Minutes a Day on LinkedIn, tip #1. So I'm going to help promote that video here on Twitter as well. So let's type in some words, let's type in some hashtags and see what we can come up with. So the words I'm typing are, check out my latest video upload to my YouTube channel giving quick and easy LinkedIn tips to do in only 5 minutes a day. So let's add some hashtags. Let's add a LinkedIn. Let's add LinkedIn
for business. And the last one, LinkedIn, 5 minutes a day. There we go. So that's how simple it is. Check out my latest video upload to my YouTube channel, giving quick and easy tips to do in only 5 minutes. And hashtags, always best practice. If I wanted to tag some people in, I can do that. But that's all pretty much straight, ready to go. So there's nothing else we want to do. So let's click the blue tweet button and away we go. And there it is. That's how quick and easy and simple it is to post to Twitter or to tweet from your desktop computer.
So the third example I'm going to explain and show everyone on how to tweet is from my mobile phone. So currently on my mobile phone at the moment, currently on the home screen, bottom right hand corner, the blue plus button, the Twitter symbol, that's how we would get going there. Or if I was viewing my own profile, it's in exactly the same position. And once again, back to my own profile, and there is the two other examples that I have done and showed everyone how to do in this video. The first one of my son playing soccer, that was done from my iPad. The second one, 5 minutes a day LinkedIn, was done from my desktop. And now we are showing everyone how to do it via mobile phone. So bottom right hand corner, let's tap the blue plus Twitter icon and away we go. So it's then going to ask me to select an image from my phone. Now I have a video here that I'm going to select. This was one of my beachside suburb where I live here in Sydney, Cronulla Beach. It was nice and peaceful and calm. So let's click that. And let's add some texts and some story about this particular video. So a peaceful and calm evening here at Cronulla Beach. Let's add some hashtags. What will we do? Let's just put Cronulla is the suburb that I live here in Sydney. Let's also put Cronulla Beach. There we go, and maybe one more. Peaceful and calm. Remembering no spaces, and remembering we can also do capital letters to help the hashtags pop. So again, pretty straightforward. A peaceful and calm evening here at Cronulla Beach, and I've done some hashtags, always remembering to hashtag, that is best practice. Simple 9-second video. Let's press tweet and watch that upload. Tweet is successful. There we go. I have now showed everyone how to post to Twitter or how to tweet from your mobile phone, from your desktop computer, and from your iPad. So hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, and helpful. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, by all means, give me a thumbs up there, give me a like, and give me a connection request. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Also, if you're watching it on my Facebook page, don't forget to like my Facebook page. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off. I look forward to seeing you again in another one of my videos real soon.